TV irakari abantu program ni Morning at Sky nkabutosha abashemerwa imwe abeja har Sky TV umukashishaka n'abarukucira kutsigaho imirimo yanyu abandi abarukorana muri Sky TV nkabutosha program age Morning at Sky urgashahimwe mpaka shaishatu kurgizo rero kubanza mpaka izoba iri rwa gatano izo biri rwa gatano ntindira mu metwarize ya program age tukuretera abanyamakuru kurwo mbitongore by'amakuru ibitari bimwe na bimwe ukajana hanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ziri kuba zikozera amakuru umusande irizoba na egeitoho abanyamakuru bagenzi banje kurwo mbitongore by'amakuru bitari bimwe na bimwe nyineho Gilbert Kampa urwo mparotsi yuji sasa rimukate Felix Ainebiona ukorga Nation Media Group tuineyo Isaiah Urmwesiga utakashiraha ari mu muhanda nakora na Grace Radio then twine Arona Inomugisha ni Desata umakuru konkana we n'umunyamakuru ndabaza kwija ku bantu batwigita
kugira ngo waroize news Uganda
ndija kuba nabigambira konkanye we ni manyanka Desata ukijikwanjora program y'iki nkabutosha ndamate nebi unyikerize maze kwerize bagenzi banje bakora mutiho nabwanyima batugambire bakorera amakuru msandeki tugumizemo na program yirizo Felix
abale Sky murire kurunje mukama na abakunda kanyongere no kushabira abantu bona abaferirwa babo abari yatanda barwire mukama yongere kubaha amani no kubagumya kandi mutaho amatsiko akubensi ni kweli mwebare gumana mukera nitwe Sky TV
ibikorera amakuru msandeki
no nintandikana n'ecyanyiciro kuba this week n'iciro turebere South Sudan akuba yo ku amasasi iciro abireho amasasi between of course manyihangari ya Sudan bitiririye ubutabanguko ubutikiriza no mu byo bwebembezi kandi biteka na no kutera amasasi mbene ibintu byo buhekera na nyekiro kigarutire cyabaho.
Are we talking about Sudan or South Sudan?
Ya na nyekiro kigarutire cyabaho of course ibintu bimwe biza confirmingwa during the day. Then still last night brother wa deputy mayor wa Kampala Dorin Nyanjura brother we Atoki Albert Cook Tugume na wabere nakora mobile money umurintinda n'umukozi wa mobile money umurintinda nawe bamutira amasasi ekire cyanyiciro. This week also tureba president na etoro rihanga ariyo mbya wealth creation of course nturire byingi ni mangwa abantu ebyo babirebere. This week also last week actually on Saturday
of course you kahereraho rwa gatano
so yes tukareba speaker wa deputy speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda
Thomas
ubihabira ari mu kureba abantu y'abanyamitoma abaruhinda abahinji bo mwani akubagambira ngo bareke kutina ibyo biragiro byakorirwa mu parliament ngo akuba government ngo akuba government rije gutwara
umwana
w'abantu okwiyaho abantu bija kutuza senga nyine post batware na president
Sky TV irakari abantu. Sky TV irakari abantu.
Oryo mutunji ningano yenda kutunga amatungo nkente empunu enkoko nebindi nokora emirimo kwasira habyo buhinji no burisa noyongera omutindo ha musharuro otafera omworeko no kwegesibwa byinji aha mworeko gwebyo burisa no buhinji aharimbarira stock farm ibirabu na mushanzu byo kwikumi ku mwoku shaisha tuzakasheshe hariho kushururura technology yensya kurugamba zade nkombazi go kusirikengoha nebindi omworeko no kwegesibwa bitebekanisiwe Uganda Veterinary Association UVA barukuzaguze myaka 3 kwihetandwaho bakwatanise nambara stock farm okutaham ebyo kurya nebyo kunywa nebyabusha omujenyi mukuru ni minister w'ebyo burisa obuhinji nebyo bujubi esimu notu mushanju mukaga 5 abirnemwe ninga notu mushanju not ina 9 17 nkaga na mwenda
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Twagira umukahumurako twa Felix yana kitugambire mukorera amakuru Musande Felix byabihwire ngere bati tangira ahora muje bari kutereba utereze bikorera amakuru Musande
bareba Sky TV ntubakira guno murundo rwa 5 rero abirina mwezi go kwikumi na kumwe rwa musenene no uturare tutakazirebe kimanye bavuza ko ari taburinda izina
twayenda zubure
yari ndino amazina ni Gilbert Akamba Kakurugu nikora n'ikitongore cya Parox UG ubwo no mukutugwa makuru oguri internet bimwe binkorera makuru ni attack yabire ari Nsambya hospital nyuma yaba ikibinja cyaba Arian Skin kurumbirwaro bakushaba report yomwe bojuba kubera nabo wagwiro mu irwaro rero bakatwara amateko mu ngaro bakatera bashaho bashangire bakozire konka ikirungi bingi bizire bakwatwa na Arian Skin abarumwe nyine rero umuto bamuhasire
kandi wari bakohereza Zeruma y'Musaruni yaza gukora
bamuhasire umuto baguskinye ngere mwene ikinde kikorera amakuru ni office Rukongero district nimwazyo funere tanzi 30 zemere ku rugo mu office ya Prime Minister mu Ministry of Disaster and Preparedness bwa nyuma yo kuterwa urubare mu kwezi kwa mwenda tubarukungiri bafunere mu Kararifa ko baza kubamenya
bakaterwa urubaro kwa
mwenda
rifu bagitunguka
11
gumiza
never
hapana hauna kandejo rifu kino we kuza kutamba ndiko yafire
no atejo tu akoje se relief bakaje se maybe support because relief ngira ngo urubaro rubatera bakabashemerere kutunga relief immediate
haza ku rugo Ministry ya Disaster and Preparedness
gumiza mu Gilbert
tokere mu kikoza makorecho ikindi anecha umunyanya wa deputy mayor wa Kampala konka icyo mwami Felix yakigamye tinguza kutugenda umunonga ikindi ni ensiona biri kubona mushanje kane kuza ikizero cy'abana bakuzarwa batashye wa maturity day no nina kugambe
gumiza mu
the World Prematurity Day is celebrated on 17th of November konka today Mbara Regional Referral Hospital niye rumine celebrating. Then on Saturday na Holy Innocent Children's Hospital, those are the hospitals with the neonatal ICUs abakorera obubwana ubwabuzibwe butashikire. Nabone bakubana ba celebrating icure cyo kurwa mukaga ebiro cyanyinshi akarera na bishatandutse abatari Nyamitanga. Holy Innocent. Ebyo nibyo moye ebinkorera makuru.
Aaron twakwakira ubu utakashira uja abantu bakugambura ngwiwe ukadizatinga mu makuru
waza nabagira ntori CEO wa Raise News Uganda
ngo ukadizatinga mu makuru so nuza kushobora abanyarwanda but all in all emtwarize yitwaha no banza tugambire bikorera amakuru tutakagira topics zitebekanisa so nuramutse abari kutureba nabanyima utuganirire aha bintu biri kukire bindi muno biri kukira aha bindi ibikorera amakuru musandage otherwise twakushemerwa nka program age
noko hena dizatingire nimba ndingire ba program age so nimba ndingi following wabale mnonga Martin Felix na munywani wetu Kakurugu hamwe n'abalebe ba Sky TV rone ko rumulimo aho mu Western even beyond so I must congratulate you Nola Media. Inform, then educate, entertain, na guide, na nebindi nabyo bikurataho. So amazina ganje ndi Aaron Ayinomugisha ninye mukuru w'ekitongole cha Rise Against Poverty Organization RAP Uganda. Echo nikikora mu community empowerment n'obugabe bw'abantu nebindi. Konkumbye makuru no kimanyangu tutwireko. I understand the terrain very well. Kandi ninye mukuru wa Rise News Uganda. Tuliragire omubyo kuchondoza.
So mbugufutora dizatingira.
Nkirimo kuyaho nkashara muvuja ngo nyexploring ndi enshonge zindabo kuba hatindi kashonje. Aho nyasimbira nka district councilor Kiruhura district. Konka kiri kumensa ngo na dizatinga.
Okay. Ebikorera makuru musande.
Ebikorera makuru lebintu binje munonga konka hena ka video kaloni ka training ha social media. Mukamihanga na teme chitochi. So president na teme chitochi
kungani ko bakutema
hati ekintu ekyo ko kukigita nebindi ebyo kurambura kwe kureba imbera ya parish development model okweri kaleba ine vice president ine prime minister bali hakiju champunu
no kubuzi ngiri yafoye ka model gukora hitaka cyo gakora
government yona the top 3 bali koko mu rutocho munda
kongo rutocho yagira
bune bare bihango kuri
rutocho yagira umusore tukati shot ni wa vice president
no rwa vice president konga wakuratera video no bushano bundo bukurugayo no reba ngo
abo kuba taje
haguraudi abo kuba ishwakara bamu barondaho kumutwara habura
n'ababintu ba complaining ngo bizimbe ibi byafoye kamode bakumurambuza ibinge babirubisi
so PDM ne abantu abatakutasya mitwari 10 buri kwezi nosha konka ni bagenda ni barambura ba model farmers abatandi cyo kutasya sente nyinji. So there is a missing link.
But I think Aaron umuhureje President Museveni arumu is not looking at the PDM konkari nageza ho kurambura abahingi abatanditse renkore yafowe ka model i government etire hamisho bwahati ngiragwe cya PDM nikija mubwisha ukati kumanya bwenji nicyo riye no picking amunonga
ti yakubira naza kurambura vice president so no langu there is something that is that adiyo wa minister ngai konke ekikurwa mu ryecho no kugira ngo government ero neba disconnected n'abantu baburijo aze ekyo tikirungi ekindi ekikwasira amakuru arrest ya Besigye bajesire kidnap omu security you can send arrest bamukwata konka ba politicians bagamba munonga bakizabe byo kwerinda amaraka bajeta kidnap ningashi abduction ekyo tyakuchidiscussingaho mishoko and that has a lot to do with consensus politics versus broad base inali muno meka fane byo na benyuma Kashonji Chiruhura umuka of course nambara n'umuka nda mu stakeholder yakonga Kashonji kuziremo umurimo hati twaza hacho kushaba town council Kashonji sub of course tunamasiko kuharabeho town council hata aho tuba twine negotiating base ningashi negotiation base
murimo rwa business tugita bargaining power
very good President Museveni twamuhika tumugira ngo tukora uruguto rwa ruhumba kashwa abo kuba twine town council twinaba abantu ahabine kutunguka konka hati nakigira ati hato uruguto rutambuze ki so hariyo process ejo council ya hanse ya sub county bachagira hati baruni bagamba nitwe ba stakeholders kind of course nkanye okwendo bwa district council Kashonji kandi as a business person nk'umuntu uri mu community empowerment ninchaja abako ko connectinga ruhumba Kashonji rushere noba wagitambara na kiruhura nibanda kazo ya
Debari munonga kukumana mugamba ibikozera makuru umusandege nibinji munonga izoberi hanyuma abaziyondebere NRM yaronkinga registration iri digital yuko yihandikisa ndebere bajironkinga abikibina is a national resistance movement
they are updating again.
No, this time it is digital. Digital babintu baronkinga digital izobiri hanyuma abaziyondebere bagitongoza kwatwa kwa Dr. Kiza Besigye nebibuze bikurumu nibingi bamukwatara Kenya bamuhorezo mukoti geno koto mashe ya Uganda nabyo biri yaho bibuzo nibingi nibija kubana mbitera mutoki umusandeji aba Uganda Law Society babeire rule of law week and they have been traversing the country barukugeza ho kushomesa mostly inkora yawe ya pro bono okwera kutwazwa abaruqualifying kugitunga uteireho na judicial independence omuhangomu nayo babere nibagezaho kugitera mutoki actually nyuma abaziyondebere semakade president wa Uganda Law Society yahandika kwateine magara marungi imikoro yone biritebekanisiwe Uganda Law Society yari kutekwa kubarumu kujemereza for a short period of time ibinde bikurata hwaho cyarwire na nebindi as in we have to keep his privacy and he did not mention why he is getting down
baroye hazaba nabo hati bine kuba serious
Shake the tables.
abo kuba wale barigo fraternity hati never infiltrated.
But of course we can't rule out the fact that recently arigire ku kushoze bigambo bigomere ahari DPP actually DPP nargayo najya nanda kumusiyuinga if he doesn't apologize publicly
yagambire kubinanye murebere konkaro update yigeze sha
give us that update.
US closely following reports of abduction of Besigye and Butare. The Bureau of African Affairs, which is part of the United States Department of State, charged with advising the Secretary of State on matters of Sub-Saharan Africa, said Thursday that they were closely following reports on the abduction and transnational rendition of Uganda's veteran opposition politician and activist.
Esonga za Besigye buri omwe aine cyari kuziteka nimpamya ngo nimwija kwereza bitekateko byanyu.
It has just come in.
Yes, ahanshongejo of course ibigambo ni bingi kuko nabagambira I think naza kugamba ho bingi niza kwendera nataho mbwiro bwanyu kunkana cyicyo kibireho ishonga yukwibisa amasasi nyuma abazo it was terrible of course twabasa kukigurutya meisho ijo meeting aho actually the whole of this week no shoti tingumanyo ban directive obabembezi bona bacire mu kitaking on kareba minister w'amatungo honorable minister Bright Rwamrama nashobora hanshonga yo kumajinga ikitongore cya UCDA na nekitongo na ministry ya agriculture arikugeza aho kore kuko mpingi atayine kwa kuza kuferwa warga kutugambira cye muhezi wa speaker na wakatigambaho at the same time honorable minister Mwebesa na wakari yo muri Masaka still yagamba hanshonga niyemwe so the whole of this week ningirangu nicyo kibekera common munonga and I think we are still going to have more about it nakaruru ka kisuru nako kakwa kunkani jangu tukagagamba ho the other week because it happened on Thursday so byabere hwaho nabyo tukabigambaho kozera makuru nibinji kunkani nyendangu tubanzitseho kacyomuka humuro nabwanyuma tutya mukene bitekateko byitu ahashonga ziturukuza kwanjoro rumesha
Sky TV irakari abantu
emyezi 3 ekiki go wangula nsasula emyezi 3 nempangula hey ha
abaye kubatachi
Chitufu we nsasula emyezi 3 mpangula chitufu
gwe subscribing emyezi 3 ku package yona joyagala obafuna Azam TV osasula emyezi 3 olwana wefulira omukisa ogutabanga wo ogw'okuwangula ebirabo ne Azam TV ate si tutoka osobola okwetambulira n'ovaawo ne free subscription eya Azam TV kusana ekirabo semalabu miliyoni 2 mu cash bedu nkugambye miliyoni 2 kati no tulinda weyongerero ku family Azam TV ovimbe ng'omulodi okumanya ebisingawo noti 3 23 noti 8 mwenda noti obakyalira amaduuka gaffe agakuliranye.
Azam TV, entertainment for everybody.
Omagara geseji arihembere eri kutuhindura tukabece kituri embereji eri kuhindura amazoba engendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwe no mu mberejo nituwanturonde ekintu ky'omutaana habindi namunonga ekintu ekiri kubasa kureta hekyo kutangaza omagara gitu naniwe gabana haburungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izoba ryawe ribe ry'omutaano kakuziro mbirungo ebirikuheza ombiri gukagaruka busya gukagira amani wena ukasigara n'oburaje Wonders Family Jelly nuko majuta agine kuguma harubaju neka yawe
Wonders, always wonderful.
Sky TV irakari abantu
irakari abantu kutabaritse yo mukahumurako hitwagira umukahumuro nani kugambira ahashonga yo kwatwa kwa Dr. Kiza Besigye. Of course abantu benji barigireyo bacyakanisa mostly civil society organizations abantu abari mu politics actually nyuma abazyo ndebere Dr. Elias Rukwago lead lawyer wa Dr. Kiza namwita Dr. Lord Mayor Elias Rukwago lead lawyer wa Dr. Kiza Besigye hamwe na Haji Rtare umushango go yagira ngo nanda kuzaho umuyihangiri ya Kenya kumbitingaho nabebembezi kucera munonga bibi amateko umuyihangiri ukureba uko bakubasa kugarkansi hangari ya Uganda ninga kumanya shonga habwenchi ababyo kwerinda umuyihangiri ya Uganda nubarga mu Uganda bakwata abantu umuyihangiri ya Kenya kandi actually ihangiri ya Kenya rikargayo ryagira ngo okwisha kwa Besigye no kukwatwa kwe tubende cye babereno bakumanyaho but previously eshuminche ningira ngo ninko mukwamwenda kutandika tukareba iminyeto y'ikibina nicyo kimwe cya Forum for Democratic Change faction ya Katonga bakwatwa ahanshonga yo kugira ngo bakane begisibwa ibintu ebikwaterine no kurubatira obusinge umuyihangeri I mean within the same time tukareba umuyembezi w'ihanga ya complaininga ahal politician, the youthful politician no mwihanga area Kenya. I'm not recalling the name, mbasa kurinjistia ya Owino Babu yagira ngo na tasya mu politics zihangiri ya Uganda. Ningira ngo ibyo bishatu you can see that politics yihangiri ya Uganda no shot AV hangiri ya Kenya ndi tasya mu politics yihangiri ya Uganda ninga Uganda negeza aho kwikwatsi hangiri ya Kenya ahabwensho bizayo. So if we look at those three, ningira ngo icyo kwatwa kwa Besigye no kuba mukwatsire nabo no basa kugira ubuzare n'icyo konko yihireho icyo hariho n'abantu abari kugira Besigye recently impapuro zigaragaza kwandika ngo niwe muntu mu Africa ukirize yo koma munonga, but some people say ngo Besigye inobuzare na government umwene mukoma kutunga that sympathy. There are people thinking from that angle. So mwija kwereza bitekateko byanya hashongeye Aaron ukwatwa kwa Besigye ukuba mukwatsire because twine nebigambo bibiri, twine deportation, twine na expedition. Tinkumanya in this case extradition, tinkumanya in this case government ekoze iseki ho muri ebyo ukureta Besigye kumukwatara kuriya aine mbundu mateka gate ga court martial. Tinkumanya kugarene gakorro mu ihangeri ya Kenya ebyona nebibuzo ebiri mu kwatwa kwa Besigye.
Webale munonga omwami Martin hati abanyayuganda bingi tibaka kurosingire kutaho mu kwetegereza how politics works. Abantu nko bukikuru 85 ninga 50 abari mu ihango ni bake abine interest omukumanya how the politics of this country works. Chukurebera ati nkawazo musakozi z'abantu abetegereze ninga shabashomire bete elites abishiza Besigye yagize ati most of them are the most useless people omuhango tokabahura nibaganira hanshonga ngezo abo kubabone batekateka ngo n'urwanju kuko wachigambira konka ejenenshonga yitwine kuba tutaho attention one
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Nayo muzeyi
kenenura omubiri obeere mu mbeera ennungi nga weenywera Sauda Aloe Vera Drink akoleddwa mu birungo okuva e Saudi Arabia omuli Black Seed n'ekigaji. Tuyina Sauda Pineapple Drink akolebwa mu nnaanasi ezaffe eza wano. Tuyina ne Utamo Miracle Sauda Drink okumanya ebisinga okubira Dr. Tayewa. Sauda Drink kenenura omubiri.
Don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile. It's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's now. Baby jelly, hey. Habo jelly, hey. Please don't make us leave my hair. Hair shampoo, always beautiful, so beautiful. Life is beautiful with Wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Omuntu ati yakubuza nkonkiwo ine waka mwereke wako tati yes ninje nanjino mu ngaro ejo tindijo ni waka alcoholic kombucha echo kunyonya murungi ekibinji bari kuba bino mu ngaro umyanya yo kushemererwa muno maka ahubwo kubakorera waka ne kwa waka alcoholic kombucha ne korwa mu kituzi etangauzi n'amajani n'ubwoki ne korwa echama Enterprises Uganda Limited nikagura shilingi 10 zonka rero weno hura wananuka wakanywa waka alcoholic
kombucha ehamibwe UNBS okushubura tera noti mushanju noti emwe nshanju nishatu ana nishatu chenda nemwe ninga noti mushanju munani ishatu 10 16 otaguza marwa omuntu wena takaikize emyaka 18 y'obukuru nyono bushunanize bwa
omumagara g'enseegi hariho embeera erikutuhindura tukaba eki ekituri embeera egi erikuhindura amazoba engyendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwenu omu mbeera egyo nituba nituronda ekintu eky'omutaana ha bindi na munonga ekintu ekirikubaasa kureetaho eky'okutangaza omu magara gitu na niiwe gabaanaho burungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izooba ryawe ribe ry'omutaano gakozire omu birungo ebirikuheeza omubiri gukagaruka busya gukagira amaani weena ukasigara n'okuhurira gye Wonders Family Jelly nigo majuta agine kuguma ha rubaju n'eka yawe.
Wonders, always wonderful.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
TV irakari abantu mutsasirimu abwakakarabamu hariho ibitwanzitereza aha mbyomba by'abajungu konka ahitwagira omukahumura akatwatetebekanisize aroni wono ugezaho ku driving point yawe utsasira bukutahamu uritsira ubutabo bwawe ntubasa kuba twakwebesa page konka gumiza
ejo tubina kwamiza abarebe mutikine kakwate no kwatwa kwa Besigye rabaza kuja ku police yale twawa but nanone ungambira ngo conversation is in case warabo mu sako z'abantu abashomire tizikanyire and that is dangerous meaning what abakutureba mwine kwetegereza politics yihangere yo gukora Besigye kuza Kenya abiragire kwatendinga okutongoza akatabo ka Martha Karua former justice minister wa Kenya ninyanda kuletwa ango eyabinji batakarangize nikimesa ngo Besigye cyendiremo mani abo kuba umuntu nka Besigye baba kwesire Kenya abakwesire kuza kutongoza akatabo protocol yetu
Besigye akozere ki
uri Besigye bakwesire Kenya aha mukoro gukutongoza akatabo ka Martha Karua former justice minister Kenya bakukwatirayo does it mean Besigye chendiza mamani by stature by political stature ahubwo nyendeho nindeba protocol abamwesire tachi yabona we kabiri yetu abo koko kushoma uyagenda yazo mu apartment ya rugamo ya then security ya mukwata konka bamwesire bakimanya bwanyu ngo bamukwata okay there is something interesting there nyowe ngambireho n'abantu abinje hari yashatu na mukaga aho bahirize kwatira Kenya aba FDC nabujero aba bakwasire bakaba bari abanyankore bakandi bagamba urunyankore ababire mu hotel Kenya nabuza bakabagambira bugambo ki it was a directive. I've been in touch with some journalists Kenya kwetegereza Kenya ekintu ekindi bakirebera mu angoki itwe Uganda ntukirebera mu angoki Kenya balone bakirebera mu ango ya politics ya Kenya at local level kuno mu Uganda tukirebera ha ango ya Besigye yo kuba nandaka mu back politically konka hine ango yusakarebe
iwe ngo muntu no
kirebera ndebe ango ya ejiswe ya political potential ya Besigye ejejeje ine PFF na politics ya nandara then na nokuba okuchamani ningo kuchendeza mani ga Bobi Wine na Nup in 2026 aha wenje Besigye ogwa maziro bwire winje na afana government kurugara kumu rwenda cyenda na mwenda omukwa 11 stilo ku 11 nkoko obwahandike cyandiko cyango munonga ekyayisire the insider's view on how NRM has lost the broad base. Obwayangana na Museveni obwayangana na President Museveni nashobora ko NRM yabiritira mani mingi aha kureba aba bantu babiri batari bari liberators ninga shiba political players ko rwo mpatize zindi azikihamani aha lyaba babiri ni bajetegereza then katandika kubarwanisa. So basically kuyashwize cyandiko eco ne cyandiko kinji munonga nagambe bihama binji munonga bya President Museveni na government ya NRM bayangana so kurugaro ku mu 1990 mpaka hadi base jatwire nafa na not just President Museveni but na nabanda behinguriza President Museveni. Now kokushoma political terrain embera ya struggle kwetwire base kurujira kimwe natandika kwesimba bwa president ne bamukwate byawo kitwaka nebintu reba ngo hine effort special a President Museveni after Habesige compared to other politicians. So okukwatwa kwa Habesige muri Kenya nyewe ndi kukirebera ha ango ya security ni nkirebera ha ango ya politics. Abo kuba turontaho mukaruru kandi it is very risky now. Dr. Besigye hato kuruga akabandoninga active politics akatandika kushanko wabura ha political scene. So game zezi ziri necessary. Nichomensa ngu okumukwata nshaka ku weekendinga plans eziya kubasa kubita abo kuba buri jono chimangu government ko kutahemishango iti weekends you for some time hateje mishango Besigye neje kufana yo mpaka ko mu kuhendera 2025 or even tutaho mukarura kiri mu kintu eco. Of course as a journalist konga hati nyowe nkaba munonga patriotic and Uganda ni being a journalist.
Chayo na mbinu wajenga pipi.
Echo tinka kigambe.
PRU
tinka kigambe. Nindewa ngu political games ezi ezo kwata abantu ukabakwatira Kenya then ukabagarura mu Uganda ukabatahe mishango hati games ezo ziri I don't want to sound insensitive konka ziri irrelevant hati. So President,
so you call them games?
Yeah, these are political games. Ahubwo hati kukureba mbwira bo Toronto pushinga East African integration kandi President Museveni niwe champion. Okay? Twinentaro Rwanda nefana Burundi. Twinentaro DRC eri unstable. Internally Uganda Robutulabe sine any active war konkandi mangu twine insecurity zirimo nkaba ADF nabandi. So aho twakubera to concentrating ha kupushinga East African integration financially ninga economically hamwe na politically. Konka tukiri mu politics eje yo kwata abantu abo kugira ngo bayenda kuba vibrant politically tukiri gukora amahoro and it must be stopped. Abo kuba wareba nije hendera ba own goal. For example embunde ziba kwasira naho na level Robert Kyagulanyi omuri arwa embundu nyinji zikwijura hako hakaba ari mune zikuzire no shoto bagatura nasere ku mushaka embundu nyinji ziti ngo bamukwata nembundu after some month omushango gwafu. So nka Uganda nitumbera aho tutari serious politically. But
as I conclude President Museveni hati bambe no musasibwa abo kwalo nakwata
ihereche myaka konko kumara ubwebembe okumara myaka 20 ubwebembezi konko kagumuye n'abantu abakwehingurize abatine political maturity to relate the local politics with the regional politics and international politics nichikwenda ni mindset hati na cyenda ngo gume aine say ninga shari relevant on politics ya Great Alex ninga East Africa and Africa. That's why nyowe I am concerned abo kuba norishuka Kenya kibere cyabayo wave ya Gen Z ebere ne basa kutaho mu Uganda nayo konka President Museveni we ya norishuko mufama ine meeting na Raila Odinga na President Ruto later chafa Kenya chabura so President Museveni yaba president abo kusolvinga ibintu ebyo Raila Odinga ayine kintu cyo kumpushinga ngo akajera leadership position omu African Union Rokale Kenya tayine support abo kuba niba mujuma ngo ari mu kwishemara kagabantu baburijo eki yatandikire Kenya chebe y'ibintu kutembana tachihereza konkati nanda kutemba kuza
mu African Union
kind by history no chumaye African Union na ndije mikago ya Africa ejo nemwe etakagizire mu gasho muhango. So we must be concerned twaleba abantu aba vibrant politically ngakiza besije ni bakibazani some politics ze kukwata ngo we ne peace TV. He is a soldier. What soldier? Retired soldier.
Kigambo retired kitakwiye.
Omurwani nona ngo mukwate na nakaroti. Ninga nachoka. You must be having a gun, but that cannot kill it.
Ebare mnonga Isaiah
kubanza kumubuza yazeta political games then nyuma we yagira ngo agambireho na bamumenyete ibaye bakwatire Kenya mwihangane byone ko no gamba nabo bakuja bakabi ne musiro bakabagiye kwinga bakabagiye kwenda
of course bakaba tagira musiri konka batitwa batandikira kutaho politics needs concentration. I must be honest with you. Hato kuchireba Isaiah studio hatulu ba friends ni Omati na Kakurugu na
Felix
nachumanye ngo nonda kutaha taho politics yanje nimbasa kwate kizindaro nyemera he Jirenti Martin nebyo no mushuma ahera so bwana Kakurugu of course abana ne bajangu bakabagiro omu bakabagiro mu training konka baba kwata training atakatandikira. That is also a red flag.
Training yo kubara
ya leadership as a new party nka patence y'abarundi batandika President Museveni na NRM no bareba ni baza cyankwanza na nabandi so tukugambe byabo kugira ngo tukagira tukugambe byabo kugira ngo tukagira opposition konka turi abanya-Uganda bakutekerezera ngo democracy, rule of law and civic spaces, freedom and rights mu Uganda bari bifa abakaza bari mu butale aba boda hati bakugamba abo kwenda ngo yagamba niba mucengeza hati twa bayambukira we have to speak up.
Bueno Trianshonge
ukwata kwa Dr. Kiza Besije
Trianshonge yo kwata kwa Dr. Kiza
no muringo kubamukwatsiremo.
Okay, fine. Hata tusire turumu perspective yetu y'abanyamakuru because of course n'ikimeza cy'abanyamakuru twenda kureba mu perspective yetu twenda kureba kushobora n'ishonga stars muna zimwe twenda kureba no huba kwasire no huwa kwasire bakamukwata diari bakamukwatira ki bakamukwata bata bamukwatarankai so imbere je twenda kubanza kureba aspect cage na besije na ngwakakwata ngwakakwata bakay because no kantari yuba kumukwatira
but in court they said that
Kenya bakamukwatira Kenya abamukwatire actually nabo tukabamanye konkito tukamureba nazo mukoti y'ikinyamaye so tumanyisa ngo bamukwatire bakamureta bamutomo umukoti y'ikinyamaye ninga bamukwatire n'abanyamahe bakamureta bamutomo koti yabo so nacisho tukakimanyire tukarebere like amahenga y'PDF fatante bakugira ngo hazamanya munito twagiriyo tukamwihaye
no but pdf kwere yamutera umugeno court martial of course nibo bamukwatsire and they have not come out kugira ngo tubo bamukwatsire
kandi tubakagarse bamwihire Kenya bakamwita so na bibi byabo basakushanga maybe hina bamukwatsire bakamutambikira nacho possible aspect zone.
What you're talking about today monitor yach answering this just speaks out arrest yanajira omuribi wa Sky washuma monitor noza kushanga mahibesi jya kugira ngo bakamukwata bakamuha mu hotel akuza ku meeting abantu abaye umuntu uyabiri naza ku meeting one person konka kata kamumitingire bamukwata tubamukwata bamute ku motoka eyamahe emotoka ine number plate ya Kenya bamuvuga konka kumuvuga bakabine stopovers nyingi zibabire bakora mpaka bayikira
bakufuna clearance
tubayikira boda kandi bagambe Kiswahili church konka bayikira boda ngo mwe yagira ngo agira ndi hatubaye kurura mwono rwabo runyankore ngo riya mboza tubishi urutari ababoza tubishi hagwa kini mugambo runa mukabo ry'abanyarwanda agwa kini mugambo Kiswahili bagumiza mubayika boda kubayika boda bachenjinga motoka
konka bari abaguma
konka aba kwasire bakaguma bari
the same
kandi na neke mundu bakaba kukigambiro kikakitarimo emundu zikija bahiko mukote
so hakunjira hagambo so you see the whole scenario dramatic when the film so now who is the film star in this saga ogo yajeta game yakaita kazano na buri muzano gona gwine urukuwininga n'urukuruzinga hati who wins and who loses can who wins what and who loses what omugame jiyona nindeba Kenya iriyo neza kugwa omchinteji because tugomuntu rwo kubanza kushanga umuntu nakwaturwa Kenya wihangiriye bakamugara omwihangariye hazobwa tekundire tube twarebere hene some is it actually refugees abakwatire Kenya nabo bakabagara wabo nabo batekundire tureba nabo refugees abandi barakutaka ngo baba Kenya babakwata abamahanga gabo bakaraye so ntwenda kureba Kenya tujye ngiyasa kuba hub ya criminals ninga yaza kuba safe haven y'abantu bakubene baronda yo obunjiro kinji mu history zitu za East Africa amahanga gabi hatabanguka Rwanda ninga hatabanguka Uganda ushanga umuntu yaje rukiya yavunjira Kenya now hati Kenya takes a safe haven for anybody omushongezi kandi hati nshisha Kenya iriyo neza kwegita UN Security Council umukwezi ko kubanza because nayo bari story na namahanga gani begite UN Security Council no Human Rights Council actually ya UN so nacho ntibasa kuziterizi na because tubasa kunja nguri no za Human Rights Council kandi uri kwicaze bukakorerwa umuhangari yawe now who wins and who wins what basically na scoring nga ta scoring government ya Uganda ne scoring nga ta scoring government ya Uganda tinkureba bwinshi bindi that rush yo kuza kugira ngo kwate besije omuhe Kenya kaje no kwa yini mshango yona actually tayina na warrant yona actually tayina na record yona ko rikumbine iso bene bamwetajiro mshango yona besije no mushiza mukuru no mugurusa uri kubasa kuze tubishika kandi kwenda akije because na ije na tinaje denu kamukomba wumva ko ngo karera because atwari bano bwa bari mu cyome azati nyoti nyine shonga no kuzaruzira because ngo nibishana kuzamura umucomera no kuzahirwa yona nibishana actually wona teka temu na bar safe yar no mucome omukeseje so nindeba ngo Kenya na Uganda internationally wale mu international law bariyo na baruzinga America ni wozo hinde okozwe statement ya jango Kenya na Uganda bari cyo bashuje mahashongezo tonturebe bya human rights Uganda Human Rights Commission ya Uganda irine jango tekwitizana n'imishango yibatira bese no mutahiwe so ngo tukabe kigonzo baje dropping now government yone za film yayo government ya Uganda maybe to kama y'ebigendwa byayo you never know ebigendwa byayo to kama y'emishango nuko ninga tuko so muzakora kuberije ko bigendera ko kayibara hendere byona government ro kugira of course nk'umuntu koko kugira ngo mukuru takushwara ninga tashobya konka neba neshwara arahabashimire nayo English course harmu kare ka story ka wendera yo was here ngo kichunchu tukagenda nicyo cyabembera amahamba mbwenu the king of the jungle kuko bacyeta mbwenu cyagenda cyakura cyaze hacyasi imyaka nkatsinana na mbwenu omyaka ejo tukakibasa kwehija tukakibasa kwehitira mbwenu tukati nikitungwa akarijaho tukastanka kuriya nango n'utushobora turagwaho mbwenu kija cyagira amagezi nabwo tukatitereke n'amagezi cyuncecu n'ucyo kiri kisigazi cyaki n'amagezi gaje mbwenu cyagumana cyangwa bishi wakwerwaza mukataho ibirango narwara tuba kubasa kwija bakareba king umugabe we wabo kwari so ngwenya mishwaza kumanzija ekija kushuranya ekitunju ekijambo tukanta kureba kari umwirima cyustaha kuno munda ndebe zikati nyine gashora ekitahayo ekitunju kibana kamiru ekitunju sigira ngo hina bari no baza kwija ko kushuraho ashatu na mukaga nabo bakitahamu ekitunju kifuna kamiru muri ekitunju no shasha kuna mukaga babiri bahwire mu munda kijashibishati kwati bueno shabari yababa kubajira uko mukiro makaje
cyaba kwata
babiri so hata zindi nyamisho zine kureba zikagira ubwenge ko bwa wakameke janje tibishi ubwo jangu nje kurebe kandi ndebe bigere bifutaho ko kanta kurebe bigere bifutaho so it's up to izindi nyamishwa okugumanuza ekyengyere ekyo kitunju zikareba bigere bitahayo nibishora ninga tubikushora
bari munonga Gilbert
ekitunju wakimanyi
umurebi yakimanya Gilbert ukwatwa kwa Dr. Kiza Besigye hamwe na mugenzi we Haji Rutare umuringo guba bakwatsiremu aho babakwatire okuba baretsere byo niwe no bireba mukishaniki nureba ngo nibikara Besigye ninga promoting who is losing in this case the government ne Besigye hamwe n'abagenzi be nureba mukishaniki
nk'uko umwami Aroni yayagambire mw'abanyarwanda bingi nangwana n'abashomere tubakabitegereza bitegereza konka if you are to relate nkarebaho akavideo actually nyobo kumuteko mu motoka
muri Kenya
yes ikikari cy'imotoka cy'indara cyengeye wari kerinka usamu ishitinda cyengeye konka basahanka mukaga bakija babetorora babakwata babatase mu motoka then the story from Martha Karua when agera ngo bakabasibira bamutegereza konkesha hazo ku meeting zitakashikire so before awaka in engagement ndijo na some other people mu hotel je bamukwatire kuyashire kuriya ya temba special ejo akija za hoteli yagumategerizo mushija ariyo mu parking mpaka shaha munana z'ecuru kuyagumena textinga Besigye atakumugarika mu haya manyongo there must be something ubwo driver wa special yavuga yagera yagarukayo so amakuru yigagire kushobora actually aba Kenya bo bakimanyire umucara w'ini bya nyuma mu kazi wa Besigye yaheza kurondiba ahantu kutugwa social media gwa X nabone batangiye ko buzungu kashambishije nyine tutegerize esimuze zitakora bamu what could have happened so nabone batangiye kumanya ngo mushaha bakagera bakamutwara mbe ni ndebaho rimwe abe kugenda hano ya internet mwe bakugera ngo that is how integration ya East Africa works hata aho nyebuza integration kwera rero kugira ngo ekituntu kikushange Kenya kikurireyo takwija kuhika
kandi kurire ninga nyine ko uwugira ufitayira akwigura te sora kuri
so ate ejo kwera iyo integration owiye no zafuka umwami wa Kenya yije munanda kugiyama n'umukazi wanje abwa integration, which is think my integration yeje kuba rero niyo bakwendite tukuza kugikiriza ejo wanobuza orukuganyirwamo na nora aferwe. If it is a political game, kongati nkamya ngo Besigye natiganyirwamo muri ya bintu sure Besigye is a known figure now otakwetaga kuzana of games.
It's a political game by Museveni.
If it is by Museveni nawe kandi bigamburwe yakura abo kuba tubashanga no it is going to affect Besigye na PPF abo kuba ko kumukoma then noreba ryo bintu byo kuregisteringa kugera it is true abasigira here they can run it konka norengo baba bakwatamu without Besigye. Washanga NRM bakizana game zezo zo kukoma umuntu otakarije kugira ngo agambe umuntu warije kuba candidate wa PPF. That is something that need to be questioned. Ndebere mishango yibamutireho mu embundi ibiri za piston around za bamunana za masasi, then lawyer we abe nabuza it is against the Valley Army what yabuza of which country. Then nanye ngomuntu ninyebuza embundu bashangira kaziba bakezitsaho umuntu okugira embundu nyuka nireba kikabiri cyo musurukare kugira embundu
retired
cyo kuba retired mwena nayo njya ngo omuhinji w'umwana tayine kacuma mukashi ubucumu tubukoresha ubwabashomesha
ubucumu n'ubushana n'embundu
Nichetizo must the same. A retired.
Manya mu Uganda umharimo amateka agaruka habura uko umuntu ashemeye kutunga imbundu.
Okay, kandi
uwe nkano basa kugigera ku nkano uraba mu muhanda kikugira imbundu.
Ate umusango gukabe bemba kongera ka kurozi kariya kugira imbundu mu buhenda barajuru. Haza nabwe still rikabe riyihangari ya Kenya rero kumuvunana. Not Uganda kuzayo kandi kamwakira akazano bakazanire kubi bakaparanengere kubi ndabaza kwendera bakagwiremo
mbere kizubukiriya director wa movie ninga
kizubukiriya director wa movie
kandika ku script
kandi wano ureba towe kino kwasa kwata figure nk'eje ya Besigye utagambere na mukuru wihangara kuri so the two people President Museveni na President Ruto ikintu n'abakimanya konka kandi wano rero bizirene bo muri Kenya President Ruto yatakoze yigiye yakaruga ahabuhabuza bw'abamu naza kutomera and I predict this is his last term kwarahirwe yajimara abo kuba nyunyidana kare mu rugo
konke ikizubu to kutera karuro mu ihangeri ya Kenya
nabaza katera aho kuba this is the first time abasigaza bakaba mutwara ubonka ibi byizere bano bakoma abantu Ruto naboramu.
Amin. Reka tuze kukacyumuka humuro nabonye matuje na Felix indeba shoberwe munonga ubundi akatugambira cyamuretera kushoberwa.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile. It's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's now. Baby jelly, Habo jelly,
Please don't make us leave my house.
hair shampoo, always beautiful, so beautiful. Life is beautiful with wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Omuntu hati yakubuza nkonki woine waka mwereke wako tati yes ninje nanjino mu ngaro ejo tindijo ni waka alcoholic kombucha echo kunyonya murungi ekibinji bari kuba bino mu ngaro mu myanya yo kushemererwa muno maka ahubwo kubakorera waka ne kwa waka alcoholic kombucha nekorwa mu kituzi etangauzi n'amajani n'ubwoki nekorwa echama Enterprises Uganda Limited nikagura shilingi 10 zonka rero weno hurira wananuka wakanywa waka alcoholic kombucha ehamibwe UNBS okushubura tera noti mushanju noti emwe nshanju nishatu ananishatu chenda nemwe ninga noti mushanju mnanishatu 10 ashatu na mnana 16 otaguza marwa umuntu wena takayikize myaka 18 y'obukuru nyono bushunanize bwa
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Sky TV irakari abantu tabaritse yo mukahumurako ahito agira umukahumuro twandikigamba hanshonga yo kwatwa kwa Dr. Kizabesije wabireho wayitsimbireho aba president wihangeri emirundi mingi kandi umuntu ine record yo kukizayo kuzo mucyome muri Africa yona abirabuzira buzirimo mbintu byo kwatwa unkantarebo bwa hati no shoti byagarkamu military yabiri yako tumasho umuringo kuba muri of course ne mushango yona almost ibar kumtaho ni buraga taho Felix no ikirizana n'abari kugira ngo kwatwa kwa Besigye kubasa kubana kwenda kumugarra face ya politics yihangeri
asho face ya politics yihangera muri
but you see wageza aho kureba enyimaho umukarura kakahwire face camera tizaramugire ho munonga nko kuzabiriniza umbaho inyuma so maybe inabari kuteka ngo yagaraka mukubona kugira ngo agaritse media nko kwagaritsiremo there is a new political party coming and is the face of it and maybe abantu nibateka ngo it is planned kugira ngo ba weekending nope eriho bwa hati itureba ngo opposition is strongest mu yangeri
Besigye ombwire wa covid niwe yarugere ayabase kuza a TV akatuha information eyatuyambire twe tarumya Uganda atarakozese concoction ya Besigye yo kurwanisa covid. Almost all of us we used his concoction
as a profession
relevance yekabone kozere haro ndizo muntu ayarugire kutwa oyiriho Dr. Professor Ogwang ogowa Covidex omuntu ayaresire kintu echabantu ba embrace ngere bakakozesa
President Museveni nawe kayabirenesha no kanonda kumwebwa kungaka yakoze urumurumo gw'amani
wewe yakorire akagumana yagira 7 days 13 days 21 days so he never lost relevance. That's why I brought that. Nkitubere twarwo mugibe bya covid byawa haje karuru yakazamuka cye yarugamo yakarekera babire bintu pressure echo cha nkitwarwo muri echo twija twazombya bya audit ya FDC Besigye yarugayo yatwereka mu FDC bakamuha miliyoni bina manyaya tiachenga kuko zizire ibintu ngebyo twareba FDC nekora kineho so echo ndimo ninjireta kwereka ngo Besigye tina hiyaruzinira relevance wenko muntu atwera relevant to the politics of this country kanu yabiratari mu karuru we used to keep going to him asking him on what to do na nabane no nkaba Bobi Wine bakani bamureferring home babire ni bakora so inchinchi manyisa ngo relevance yekozere ki
na nabahadzi abakoze opposition ruhat bazira comparing ngara ya Besigye kaza ngo nkaba ngaha ngunangwa Besigye hati
so at Besigye ari nkoku kuzarwa bakafutaho maka bakufutaho mako kiri muto ninga nubuko hawakuzire ejo maka tekurugaho at Besigye omu politics za Uganda aine market akusimuka
eryabuso ninga ryo mugongo
eryabuso So for that message was Takalugere has seen and is still very relevant. Then ikindi ati akwatwa kwa Besigye akaba Kenya akaba ari apartment yabire yine building yine 108 apartments 108 apartments akaruga akagena nowa Aaron yagambe mu protocol Besigye had a person ayabire amuhire ayabira muhire yabirari akumutwara hotel yabire naza kumyitinga no kumutwara umukuru. Everything was planned. Konka Besigye nkiya ikiri yagera tureka tugende tuza kureba someone on my apartment kandi kiyagireyo the person emundu ye passport ye na nebinde biyabira yine because time ya book launch kenda kayikiri bakamukwata ebyo bintu byona tine cyane na hateze sha ebyo bintu bikasigara so kandi Besigye is not new nimanya turebere Besigye okuzo mukoti na nubyo kubakoti masho n'imino n'imindi Besigye bakamucharginga umushango gwa treason bamuchargingaho umushango ubukama konga those are high profile cases kino umushango gwa namusingira umuyihangere lya Uganda lya President Museveni wareba those incidents zona tini sakujanguna no gumushango gukujangu Besigye bamukwata because umuntu ubaratira umushango gwa treason umuntu ubaradize ngo akahamba tukuzo mu karuru kandi akagaruka umushango akagusinga Besigye bamuwadingiraho sente zo kugira ngo bamukomire busha so this is not new. Konka what is new here is that this time Besigye mtuiruka Besigye kutoroka around 2001 bakari wenda kumukwata yatoroka yarugo mu ihanga yagenda abinji bakajya ngo akagendera mu kofini yaza ngo abandi akazara bonisi yaza Kenya yakoraki yagumayo yagaruka yagumamo yaza South Africa niho yarugire akuzo mu karuru.
Actually Kenya atwenazi yunkaburizo.
Yes, they have never arrested him in Kenya. Konka okuza I'm bringing these things kujangu to understanding what we should look at before the arrest of Besigye. Tukareba abantu tukareba FDC ya Katonga hati nyine kwahura FDC ya Katonga ekugamba nguyo nenda kutandika kibine cyayo echa PFF echo kibine cyayo echa PFF haruga yabana ngwito twine PPF Besigye ba ekibine cyabo babanza bachihotinga konka no manya Besigye we politics ze kuyatani ko mu Uganda akajya munaza kosa politics za defiance PFF babanza bajanjera konka batekaho electoral commission pressure yo kwikiriza namwe n'uko electoral commission yamaze kwikiriza tukatunga reports z'abintu saturatinga ngo byabakama bambinga konka tuzaba confirmed kandi byabakama nati tureba ni warugiro mu karuru kati so that thing cyatwereka arhechana kugira maybe some people are not happy with PFF. That's why they had put some roadblocks konka bayikabaziya kitu arugaho ombwire buke twareba abantu ashatu na mukaga abo bakwasire ba youth aba FDC because PFF kenta kabireho aba FDC bakubakwatira Kisumu bali bakuza training ya leadership and how because in the preparations are how to deal with elections na n'ebintu nk'ebyo in 2026. These people bona babakwasire kandi tinubazire ngo manyaine mundu ninga kingo kubagamba ari Besigye konkabona bakabacaginga treason. Hati aba bantu bakamara temyezi nk'ebiri bamara babarekora babahabeye. So aba bantu babiri batakamazire na week barugera bail Besigye yagenda Kenya Besigye yagenda gukora ki? Yagenda a book launch ya Martha Karua wabira running mate wa Ruto. That is the same woman. She was the running mate wa Nankawa Raila Odinga. This same lady na haruga Mount Kenya na haruga yo Gachagua vile vice president deputy president wa Kenya. Deputy president wa Kenya bamubinjire. Yes, bareta Professor Kindiki. Professor Kindiki a weekend tubire turyo mu chachi omuri
Kiambu.
In Embu.
Yes.
Yes. Former President Kenyatta refused to recognize Professor Kindiki. But Kenyatta is not in good terms with Gachagua. Ruto agenzura mu church yateka Catholic Church yateka yo sente ya zo kombeka konkeze sente at Bishop azizengu bazigarura. Yes, I want us to understand these things to get there is bazigarura sente zo ziresero mu Kenya right now.
Ndavugira ngo sente zikarga Uganda kandi.
No, because I'm trying to bring something. Then now twagaruka kuriya Gachagua Ruto akakosa Gachagua okusinga Karuru ka Mount Kenya. Professor Kindiki is not as strong as Gachagua in Mount Kenya. Professor Gachagua was fiercely competing with Karua on Mount Kenya, and now Hati right now Mount Kenya divided on how Mount Kenya does not want to support the government, Ruto. Yes, Ruto administration. So what is there? Ruto must use these other parts, the Rift Valley na nemyanya ndijo, of which Rift Valley no manya ngunea Odinga. Odinga was in Mount Kenya, was in those areas nazo arimuna azgarraho kujangu ODM it as losing Orange Democratic Movement. It are losing those places. Nanka Martha Karua akakora alliance ya opposition leaders in Africa, of which Besigye is a member. When you do that, that becomes a challenge to President Museveni and to President Ruto.
President Museveni kubona enda ngo akore alliance ya presidents ba.
Yes. President Museveni, President Ruto, and even these other presidents dictators, because and fearinga hati baza creating alliance bona bahana magezi nka opposition leaders barongera kuba bakora ki at this time. When you see Kenya elimune losing, you bring a person like Besigye whom you know na basagamba moving abantu. No manya Ruto nanka comedian no mwaka for him is a good singer. When he sings, all people move. He moves people that they all stand up and go home. Konga hati imagine you see that alliance of Besigye na Martha. Martha na Besigye, the nyoni njangu bineka characters zimwe. They are two radicals. Hati whatever defiance ya Martha yagita here Besigye, you expect that Kenya are already defiant ati wagitaho defiance yabese yo kunanka nikibasa kuletera na government bagiye 2027
so wenshonga yo wire Felix politics ezuri kugenda mu meisho okwatwa kwa besije no kureba munongo mu politics za Kenya kuchira politics za Uganda
kanga chumara yo you understand me so hata right now PFF yeah PFF sorry erimu ne gaining ground abo kugira ngo Besigye has not fronted himself in commentary kai konka one ujuko mu consultation zone ziba akozera across the country apart from few areas ezihanga few regions bona bakani bagama ngo batandike kibinetsia kada kibinetsia kibaratandike Besigye nateka kwesema nka president. That brings a threat to the president of Uganda who no manyani bajirangu one of the reasons why Obote lost power it is because his own people bakamuruga hatu wano reba Bobi Wine strength ya heri elimu central that is Uganda and Busoga Eastern
some parts of Eastern
yes. So etonchereka ngu if Besigye manages to come back akara yingana na Bobi Wine konkaba kagumu karuru bombiri Besigye would get some parts of Western region which would weaken President Museveni's strength. So right now what is happening is as we are going Akarun to Kazam next year just 1 month it is to disorganize Besigye kujangu his preparations za PFF okubari muni betebekanisa noreba hinenjeri bayetebekanisa mbabagambire mikono all of a sudden to araba Ingrid barugayo batandika kuronchinga registration ebintu byona babikora very fast. That one is a scare because they thought that would even take them some more time.
Felix
but right now one whatever kwatwa kwa Besigye kuona kuri hinji dali into
bibiri
government civil
as you conclude
government ya President Museveni na government ya Ruto wenshonga all these two governments are scared of gaining their seats come 2026 and 2027 respectively.
Abari mnongo ekyo twara omundijo nshonga nabagira ngo musandeji aba Uganda Law Society babere beine wiki ya rule of law barukugezaho kweshijuma uko by'amateka biri kutwaza bumuyango mu wabigerageransa no bwebembezi oburi kugenda mu meisho nangwa ombinte bibatere mutoki batera toki aha judicial independence ekitongore cyitwe kiramuzi nikicweramu ninga kine above ucyo kubanza kwebuzaho cyaza kugera ebicyaca mu mwihangiri Isaiah niyenda ngo utandikiraho ubwire no bureba bwagenda use only 4 minutes.
Actually, can use even one because there's nothing new kile chokora makuru
judicial independence
yangire Uganda history yona tujine kurunzi munonga ngo ecukushago muchona kine kubanza kashemeza the powers that be
Nyinga the king of the jungle
of course the king of the jungle konka haro appeasement policy y'umwihangiye Uganda moreover that is what we call appeasement policy hata appeasement policy is ya creating it kweta ba mafia umurimo ujungu ba mafia tabakine konka mafia ntchimanyito okutobeta abantu abakwetwara mu bar connected n'abamani nzijo kora umuntu wabasa kumukwata bamutomutsome ne babanze batere undijo wamani gamba no. So there is nothing like independence. Jihad judiciary actually to take a parliament. Actually, na cabinet na of course you take over independent kuchiriya ho ngatwareba parliament betwajiruza injire teine independence yayo twire turuzinga judiciary is to jina actually because no hor kutorana ishabaramuzi no hor kutorana baramuzi agency yabo paying at who so you cannot serve two masters at go to serving abantu kuservinga na nori wa kutorina so judiciary naho bayiruntu bagezaho because tubakwasa kutora niyo uri chief justice kandi ngo uje kushara n'ikintu icyo wakutorera ariko batakwenda bwenu independence ya judiciary neisha kuba nerejera ahari yo guru kuba yabatoriye owakahanje n'uwaka
tumwe nonda gutuma ibyo mukaheshe tuze kutera chief justice akaruru
maybe amani bagahereze akakiko ka
Service Commission, Judicial
Service Commission ninga akabaro yasimbaketa haka Uganda Law Society bagereza amani kuko turi ya Kenya kuko ina amani kuko basa kutorana wa Electoral Commission basa kuyitorana konka washanga ngo president bari kwija kwa pikinga atana kubura muzwa kote na kubura muzwa kote iri amanya na promotinga kiba cyahweje. So it is a matter of allegiance. Where do you pay allegiance?
So ikitongore cy'amateka ningashikira muzo mihango umuti kikwecera.
No, tine kitongore kikwecera mu mihango ya Uganda. Kikwecera mu hat maybe ka toilet niyo kosa kutumira chwera mu
toilet kitongoro mihango. Tanchira.
Actually no so kitchera no safada mizi
kitongore
n'ekitongore cy'abantu babiri
kitongore cyaramuzininga cyo cy'amateka umuyango nicecwera mu warebe biri kugenda mbesho abantu nibagira ngo habwenki umuntu utari umusirikare bamutwara umugeno court martial is not a serving soldier ni retired nangwa nabandi abanya-Uganda bose rero babatwarayo ahashongejo kandi abantu babutosha nibagira ngo kigwire konkore ibe kitongore cyakuma cyunami ikikira mizi
atakadani kire because that nko kuwagamba does judiciary determine where to take the person?
No, it doesn't, but it has the powers. It can advise, it can guide.
Then we got that.
Get back and it's up. Echo nachiha yonke cyo kureberaho, but we have a lot of scenarios is to kubasa kureberaho. Okutera tocho mu kitongore cyito kiramuzi uko kureba abana ba TikTok abakoma bwashesha bwira on issues ziri zo mutari kubasa kugira ngo ziri petty ningashe ziri political. You also look at the independence of the judiciary warebe mshango y'amataka iri kumara imyaka 50 bagihoza umutaka riga hakafa umutabana kasikiro mshango na wakafa umwizukuru na wakagukwatamu ubu twine kitongore kiramuzi kiri yaho uri kikoremera mu yacu.
Kabare Martin ekitongoro cyituwe cyaramuzi cya judiciary ahamwe kiri nikesharamu ahandi kitina kwesharamu konka mu buryo bw'ikikabe cyesharamu naza kwesa example y'umushango gwa Segirinya na RNC Wanyana impiz ejo dere yo nayo ne imwarebiri bakurya baramuze kutina umushango akuba mbakana bakire ngo umushango tuguro kunka wagubatira harwenda gugereki gubeguru so ekitongore cyaramuzi ine ikikwika cyenda kusavinga uwahiguru cyevuga kumanya ekishime kubana kishwara mu cyenyine. So emishango myingi nibaremwa kusharamwe habwa pressure eri kuruga ahiguru nangwana no mu political leaders nkoko yagamba baba shazirimba kwehemerumo yes they are mafias and mukama wabo nabakurikiza so noza kushanga buri district ine mukamayi oshanga nka magistrate ninga judge resident judge aho umushango gwata kubasa kwendera tabanzo yagamba na mukama wa district so ebyo nabireta mu delays yinkumanya okutwakubasa kubahereza obugayo bakabichereza kunanko ngati no kuba kubahereza when the appointing authority is still the same kono baronda yo body baka competinga with their credentials bakaapurayinga kuko ibitongore bindi biteka applications bakakora interviews, then they select the best candidate. Konka washanga ngo someone brings names, then parliament voting Korachi, they come up with one. Independence kwija kuba. Yesterday somewhere I read, actually it was in New Vision, what the horist y'abantu abo bafite kateka ngo Deputy Chief Justice numara rubi mweno reba ngo nemizano shuwari barika bamumanyire hariho barika barukushaba konka ndebere honorable Rukuta na rukuga rujango is not part of that and he never applied konka no ngo mizano yabo mbagizana kare kugira ngo the appointing power, the appointing authority arebe who is capable from the rest. So nimpenderando kugira ngo the judiciary surely they are there to earn salaries, they are not there to serve the purpose. Mbeni never all the Uganda society semaka they were trying to impeach him actually. Nawajira he went to bang the tables on car. He has started eating on the same table.
He was supposed to bang.
He was supposed to bang. Ninga shine babuza table alishanjire mwe misimari.
So akahinda makuba yatera makumbi.
So ninjana wakati ichi yabe na teka yashanjire the system is like that. Taine chara gikorera no kushaburwa muri
bari mnonga twaza kushaba twatunga Pastor Felix ensonga ya rule of law na judicial independence omuhango notikateka ngo what could be done kuba abaragagamba bono borikera kimwe ngo we cannot have kubasa ngo kitongore kiramuzi tukiri kubasa kweciramo kugira bicyakora kandi w'abanyayuganda nicyo tuteyire hamesho kine powers nyingi munonga nicicamo on everything kandi tino rucyakanisa okurenga hierarchy yabo actually tine no kubasa kwababira umuramuzi ngo umushango yagucamo kuba the only thing you can do is to appeal kungato kubasa kwababuto mushango gwanjye umuramuze nanga gucira imkubi. So if babe ine powers ezo zona kunka batari kweciramo tukureba ngo tubatiriyo mukabe kamani.
For many years I was outside the government. Now I am inside and I am more understanding of the limits of the powers of government. Actually, when you are outside the government, you only see the possibilities. The government should do this. When you are inside, you realize that there are very many speed bumps. I have to tell you plainly that if one of these days you hear that I am packing my bags and going away, it will be because I am looking for where I can truly serve people. Because if I can't serve people, what is the meaning of justice? Maybe I will become a priest if it is not too late. Well, I can become a pastor. They are not as strict. When Robert Mao, Minister of Justice and
Constitutional Affairs.
So, Ogoguni Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Robert Mao, Ogwagaradia Mukorogwa Justice Law and Order Sector. John Bajeta Jeros. Happy. Noreba Aromont Kujirangu. To student I go back to Vesaje, Akujirangu. Abantu b'inushobozi. Omuyihanga iwiwe no jangu inushobozi in our country. Tutakagirana no kuza okuzomu court because naturally kurugakali omuntu akabagira omushango bakutwara mu babanzo mu court yekika ekutera hansi ujya utaha utikoteje utabe kikabangora kubi ugenda mu RC bakutera hanze ugenda mu RC bayizere bakambaza ta RC3 RC1 ugenda naho bakugarika uhindura igerezo twonka ibintu no shabya yakora ki babagumanira kubuza kaho niwe banga wenga ugenda twonka ni oyeteramo oyireza ugenda n'ibyo abantu bakora
bakuceramo idohereza umutango ninga bakufobera
bajangurete nankeje amarwa abantu banywe ugire
tubagire nini
abantu banywe bikora ki tukoma tuja twatandika kureba twetaga ba judges n'abantu nkabo kutereza ubumwe ushanga ngo abantu abecyaro wenu babasa kurugayo umuntu agira ngo atwenti ikumi kandi ubwenti ikumi zibagamba iwo aho baza kubaro ine t-shirt ati ikumi noza kuziye nonda kuronda mushamba so bakarete cyo kugira ngo habeho some fair hearing of ibi no bumwe bakabatahurikiriza na side yawe konka babagira ngo konkece cyo wakora kigwiri uburiya yakura horobati yakura konkati ya nore tuzo mukoti bajya ngo bahurire side je bahurire neje konka wareba umukoti system yitu bajageze tibine shonga etize ubunyonka bagandira ubwiru twira Uganda tuyino muntu umwe nyowe kwi ntukumanya no ino gutwara nkana bagandira tukaza kuriya president yaza kucomusha bita I asked myself hatogumara muzina akora muri muki president akashitama yadira tunyoya hanimpamanya atinkandisiza hariya atugenda hariya no
kukana na judiciary ni ichereza mediation na dialogue
actually that is
and that is what the president was doing
and ni chone chintu kimwe mawe ya bere na gamba nanka conflict resolution how do we handle before even going to court how do we handle all the system zone ziriho tizikwikiriza ngo habeho better mechanisms zo kusolvinga enshonga you get hati y'umuntu yibita karya konka no butakayicire akoti kuhababa notakababiri we naya hababiri yubora icyo yo kushanga ngo noza kuhababa ukashanga niba kugira ngo konka umushango wawe ngo reda hita kiryo runo hababira aro injection court order takumana ekuzibira kuri kozese hati ntore vitwaka kandi kindi twantugambari hari ibyo by'abarangiza nabo tubasasire owinyidoro chief justice akabari politician kari umutari mu parliament owinyidoro akabi umuntu wa NRM wa NRM wenyine even this man of ours yarugireho chief justice but katurebe nawe akabari no mu constituency assembly akore ebya NRM byona akabikora ntati nakibikora konka hati wanogira arimushango minje yiturire kuzana mu Supreme Court bakarimo kugisharamu ukashanga basharamu kurugerera ninje ni mwijuka nakati yagambire Professor Kanyihamba akakigamba yayereka okubari ngo kusharamu umushango gwa besi bakahendera bagize ngo bese byo mushango gwa musinga ni mwijuka ebya kabigamba hati iwo nogera ngo umuntu nozo mukoti ushanga ngo umuntu aza kushara umushanga banza yashora yagira ati mubanze mureke tumure mwenda kigi kuri tugaruke agaruka akushara mukuru abiturikiri it has been there because there is some interested party somewhere nyowe ekintu kiri mu judiciary
as you conclude
yes ekintu kiri mu judiciary kiri mu judiciary yonka system ya government yona tiriho nanka ya kugira ngo bumps ziriho ni nyingi wabo rya heru okugira ngo government ashemere koreki to kubyetegereza konko kuzomunda bakugambira ngo atumuntu akubarya heruku takumanya Sky TV okwe kuronda makuru kuzagatekaho konka onka gareba harajate atkonka Sky hamwe abatereze maha bashobize maha bagire konka tokumanya umuntu ayara bakuza kwikana n'iki yakora ki
kwereza
aba spectators bona bana bari umupira wa buzana
hati ati wono basakuruga yoshanga no yanga owinyidoro konko owinyidoro nawe nayende birungi konko umuntu kaza gamba umuntu afukire chikonda atiwe gamba nkwato mushaye you cannot so nyewe byona naza kubisaninga oba judiciary oba ki the whole of Uganda nitwetaga okuhindura mu nkora yona mbona tukore revamping tujye revamping yona hati wono ngambira nanka permanent secretary wa judiciary no Bigirimana kaine mishango kwingana so why do you say now hata nagangu Bigirimana akakwiroko bibaje
ahindakaho
you remember Bigirimana akijo mu koti akijo mu judiciary immediately basinsa mu ndo mushango ogoyena Bigirimana you look at those things yona ningira ngo arebe ndo mwe
semeye kubereka
just itonka abantu ngenda twekore mu murimo twimuko mu konki hangeri neri yitu reka mureke twikiriza no tustama meza tubiterera
arondandikira
wale blogger Martin omukiyukuru ubwabo buryo bwirebo kubiba ya venta bire hati mbwenu oburugo aho atakahirize kubiba iruka yazomuka ya yihebi kanje umunyungu yija yabiba habira hasigire entabire yaho seko irize yarebe nyuma najata tano kwibwa byamera so avuga garaje mangu yatame bikanja so shwale
nano kwirwa gaze
Uganda it engumi 2001 just owinyidoro hat chief justice ogwabali MP owadokoro tabuka kaba MP 1996 mpaka 2001 akajumirirwa ngo akana kosa eshanduko kwibera president Museveni n'ubu saka kwa tobura buto mushanduko izenda
shanduko yaba
coffee kashatika twatwagambire ngo abantu abari mu system za Uganda they are the problem themselves yija of course yazaho aha babire ni batonganiraho president Museveni enkumi 2006 umushango gwa president Museveni na Besigye naragambira ngo president Museveni na Besigye bine kintu cha ihangere nico abantu abombi nico maybe nico kizibu cha Uganda aho kuza kushanga kizibu shanga ho guno
ushanga ho bombi
Besigye o Museveni so owinyidoro 2006 akaba ari umwe aba leader aba man aba mushango yija yaba acting chief justice leta ya na nebindi now twine justice system eri week kandi ry'umwihanga ryine system z'izinde zifire ahabo kuba imikono ya government twine legislature parliament twine judiciary ebyo buramuzi nebindi hamwe na executive ba ministers okay na president minister mao wa justice yamara kuvigira manya ya vigira I'm telling you hata yara handika na jati atibyande matinta ya vigira aha hata umuramuzi owidara ryo kubanza risinjiro ori kiruhura ori kasho ori rubindi ori bwizi wera ori ngahi otine fuel yo kumuleto mukoto mukasheshe okay na rumushango emishango case backlog kanyire emishango minji elyo mu court tiyakubererima abo kuba police ne yanga kuhabura abantu kugira ngo bija police bihama kasente hat system y'ekitwetombirajiro na human rights ADR alternative dispute resolution changa so jire emishango minji government ne yishoreze sente nyinji konkate ku mu court oyina baramuzi nibara resources tizikumara oyine minister na VG oyine chief justice akaba ari politician hata umwe kukura nawo ndakuza kuhaba namoni nyona hata umuntu yanshagize I really go to police sure to do what mwana mbasa kuchimara kitaka konka ekinane nakugamba ekikuru traditional can't haza mukuroga konka echo tikirungi no kimara kitaka individually muikiriza unless omushango gwawe nigwetaga higher legal guidance nkebya companies nache konka ekinanya ndakugambaho President Museveni na NRM na government age they have lost it in psychology hinechi tukweta substratum kudiringa na group y'abantu substratum twina abanyarwanda bingi ba desperate okay tiba kubasa cyakiro na cyamushana na breakfast nabagira umushango tayine sente zo kuza kuratira system ya justice takubasa kuhikituga ngo police na court bamusharemo so badiyokwe bari vulnerable but President Museveni na NRM na system zona government general tibadiringire n'abantu abo that substratum ncyo kurebera hata abantu nibeho wabuga n'abantu ahahera hasi tutoka mbuzo uti police kuyambire kote kuyambire yati bakaba bashuma now amateka ni batwara umunga kuko kwata wabo yibere ni bakahereza bachiba bine mishango bamazire emyaka minjo mukoti ushanga ekayananga ne kwate mihoro ne cyereka yananga ne babatematema ni babatahanze such a kind of cases tetungire attention ninjira ni ko mu 2010 n'eshatu hine kese yabire kiruhura ya family ya Karuhanga shinta shoka gihura aza kucyabire w'abantu bitana nashoti nyakashashara o nyakashara hati kubitine President Museveni yakimangureta kiruhure kabene mu cases abantu bine ngungu yatamuka campaign yo kubugana abantu nana konka kija chafu hata mishango ejero nesi yamuka doko lebe kibarundi bakora MP ya Dorose Chikubu omulise mabure abantu bajangu ine mishango nka 10 eyo kunyangaraza no shango muramuzaye no mushango MP aterese abona abantu banje
kandi PFF nkatoreserese
oyo no mushango ryo muramuzi omwaye go kushara muje RC5 aterese abona abantu banje ukiba wayigire kwaho President Museveni nawe aterese now what kind of justice konkombi yo buringaniza azayi conclude ntugira ngo embajuri biri kuzi kubaza tikirize third party nayo ni kigoma kusharamo ncyo kureba wabo inabantu babiri batikirize wijo ryo wakashatu iho no wakuteka ibari bikatota trust me echo yasharimo ezoguneja kujati ati ninga ya muhesente nogo washarira mu ajati konka shagwenshi yatwaza ati nywegana njangu yaneje kubashazire mecho kunyiga munongoli so cyo kurebera police kumukugenda mu mushango ineki bakweta community television office abanza babashitamisa konka history ya issue genera then bikirema muzo wa DPP bakora file muzo mukoti mukiba mwahiciro mukoti babaja mu mugende mu leta abajurize ababire bariho no why didn't you sit and discuss that before konka twine bintu bina ebindahendero one okubura resources
gumiza
abo kwako kuboine judicial system etine funds zikumara Felix yajatichize reka nchikoleje nihije kubaho case yo kwita umuntu nkisinjiro umuntu wo kubanza yene kuba police kwika hamwanyogo okay ningo mushango gwitaka ninga yene case wo kubanza yene kuba police nyo ko umuntu nakuhamajuta fuel uri police okija hasi hona no handika statement
kugira ngo tikiritize Uganda n'abadamu neruzinga tiri nzinga mu corruption mu mwaka. So if that money is not lost, it would sort that.
So ato muntu wahereza fuel ryo police kuchonoza. No jangu neja kuhandika statement ya police yahandika niye kugaidinga DPP na court. Echa kabiri abantu nabo binekiza. Abantu imwe wakutuleba. Omuntu layemera atachiri nguze byanje bihoho. Konka kote turamuri. Tumusha. Atate ba kote mujango zo mushango gware atabambara mwambi ati nenguzita kanisa kampa
kahindira amashoga yo we
I'm sorry kandi turubura umukoti umuramuzi bamuretera umushango ngo musigazi akanyaga esente za mukama we emitwaro mwenda ati umuramuzi yamubuza utire watamuzinge kurugahi warwo kwija ati natanga mitware ebiri watamwe mitware ebiri agoki akakutwara sente za uzinge mitwaro mwenda ye hati no jango gumushango nibuza kumara ubwo bukwengana emezi nkamukaga twasa kugumara no uteka teka noza kubotira muzinge mbone cyo kwenda ni by the way I liked that guy magistrate we watch ruhura ihagana umushishi umushatsi nyonyenda sente zanje yabuzo suspect sente zine uri ati ntubasa kuzurunda ati mbwe mumushoboyire mwesotinge ubusore yakari mu cyolo yasende kabo wabatumurete sente tubihandle mu bikoreki umushira ngije ati nyowe nyenda mu musibati sitemyeze mukaga umuramuzi yajangwa ngo sente muzine ngo noyenda ati nyenda sente nkonkasha atkonka nyona bena nyenda no mu musibemyeze mukaga umuramuzi yamasente ze byakoma. That's how they
I don't hate it.
Now, echo ni kiretwa frustration echinika ecyakashatu abantu bakubira ni bahabura okubura umugasho abebembezi ba LC nushanga LC nayangana n'abataka hati LC waba noyangana n'abataka noje kubashita misota kuganira nabo kuchikufera LC 1 tikikora LC 2 LC 3 na LC na higo ecyakana finally okubura uburinganiza Martin n'abakutureba tine kintu kibi nko kubura uburinganiza failure to get justice kuba no shimoto muntu anshajize akwasira abana banje yabatera yababinga hitaka yabita konko kareba umuramuzi yemera jwire bibigandura akamujati iwe kandi we no mushago now system ejo na yisira abantu konka umuhandiki ni George Orwell owahandikire kitabe kibakweta Animal Farm nashobora ubutari buringaniza omukitabecho hali hakachweka kanshemize ngo empunu pig bakazibuza ngo agwenshi ni murya mahuri empunu zikazi ni ziya mahuri imagine zaje ngo bashaho bagizire ngo tugarya abo kuba tugarya on behalf of others so Uganda n'abantu abo kurya amahuri on behalf of others ejo cyawe kitawiro tujye mu kazi kawe
sibara barutureba Aaron shoga yo wi
ora mnonga Martin naguma nagira gwire mugume ni mu mujiro gwiyo
mu wire ntubatu wini n'uwo abanyamakuru
tuganire
n'abaruwiringa burwakata
kongani yanda kuhendera ni ndamusyaho banywani banje abanyakashonji kashonji ahundi as aspiring district councilor Kiruhura kandi tiketejo ntije kuba of course hat season age nayo kubanza kumanya bizibu by'abantu kongera kumanya habita
kumanya
ya
nyabura twakweya nu
of course nana banywani banje beje ha Bishop State University aho twine project ya media literacy na nebinde bitukora nabo hamwe n'abanyayuganda bona konke chikuru nywe ni nyanda kura musya habo bona abi no kunyigwa
abanyigiro
twamanya ko bahamiza ngo itwenkira karyanyu we are there kandi kumuraruhe ite tuturaru abo kuba isheka kwa bya mirorimi nshwa mutuziraru mushaka so for sure we are there for you
Gilbert sibura bari kutureba
duksibara bari kutureba mwe bari gumanite kugumana umukanite ndebereho memorandum of understanding esayiningirwe Ministry of Defense na Mbarara City bapasingire miliyoni 300 something zo kuri rehabilitation
366 and mtwaro ngikumi na mshahara
kompana ntakamanye when it will start
this month
nanyenda kusima
this month
nabona bayokwe on 20th barwakashaka was celebrating my birthday imbasima wo kunyozayoza messages
kuriko kutaha umfosi fro
ndi kwenderana kaburije ni pendane fumer German with the diary will not require anyone to give them direction to the door wabo inechiruka umuhanda kuzo atoyinogwero nde zabanya Uganda bingi mwine diary ya
nubija kukihabura kama simu Felix sibura barikuteriyo
abantu bamukama ntubasima mwe bari kugumana mu watching Sky TV every Friday nyone mbagambira okumanya bingi ebituganira waha mu visiting daily monitor mu biro papura muza ipepa
akutakarango tuwaza kushashara
ni polisia abashomesa bitu bekerezia archdiocese of Mbarara babiri bari mu mass archdiocese archbishop kandi na nyibiro 20 nkaba celebrating a feast ya St Felix kandi manyandi Felix ayinabiona so bena abantu abahagizi bitu b'umupira aba Manchester United coach ayijire ntuza kureba ko arakore bana bazana na Ipswich asande then mtumanya ngo Arsenal hati ya mani mengi nyenchero y'abakazeteria Juventus mu Champions League gore mwari busha mwenu ni mpamyangu this week mwezi riche we are back with the bang back the tables mugibe je
mutashangire humsmart Isaiah sibura barikuteriyo
ne sibura bakutereba kandi ndikumenesa weekend nunji enare mu nintabarusia enare mu manifesto wiki irine gendera ngo bashyize ubucika tsimana nabona bakwete zabe zibabirika hiri mu manifesto 84% if it's true batabarusia
iwe noteka shizini
enkora burunzi bizimuru tikumanya babiparaganisa abantu so abantu
manifesto ya NRM mekere public I don't think it took jimai
prosperity for all baba bere at
securing the future
ibyo nsa kwantu bere draw then my appeal ngenda ngo ngero muranga bini muhurire batahibitu twegite bantu because it was from Karuru aza Karuru nomanya aho efumu ya South Africa ko ngo when the mouth allows the knife passage so wareba omunwa ninga witireza ngo omusyo gurabeho gushume hatiwe urukushoza oyine kubona utanka kwitegura ko rashoze so warebye ne bireno bibaho judicial twagamba independence yayo twareba parliamentary independent ito nibatwita ba fourth estate nese muri ito basako batwata mu tokamanya nabo independence
niga batwatsire
so turebye mutwayirika twababamwe it's time to be one twegite turebamwe tujirira kahango of course twaturubamwe twasabdirira kahango twagitaho kinji tureba politicians bachakoresa munonga abanyamakuru abo kugira ngo babe baganisemo ushanga hatinde kimwe basa no kuganirwa namwe mwenda musente by the mbamwine kubana mwegito mu
maybe next time tureba independence y'abanyamakuru bwe bari munonga bagenzi banje abugumana mushazi hakaire mukayija aha Sky TV blizo bari rwa katano ukwereze bitekateko byanyu aha jonga stars zumena zumwe zuri kubazi ryo muihangeri impamyangu n'ikikuru munonga ka Sky TV nicyo twaterire wisha heji tukagihereza abanyamakuru kandi Aroni yenda kumanyisa ngo you are always welcome. Program egi ni y'abanyamakuru, buri munyamakuru we noreba tuyikiriziwe desata so n'abari practicing bona ntubakira. The show is yours, always feel free to pass by okuhereza ebitekateko byawe nuko yogira mu politics of course, tukwendeze birungi, you are one of our own. Tutekateka ngo bwebembezi bwakwata amabantu abose rene bareba barukwa
ninyanda guhamiza ngo abantu bakashonje bampagire munonga
ndagasimwe cyo cyetengo cyito. So aba bagenzi banze abindi ukora nabo program age kuri gizo biriro ko banza ukitizo beriro wa katano, Edwin Akoraje, Olivia Kamsime, Eric Mesige tukira kuba twina kamera hamwe na Peter Mugisa umukontrol. Nyenda kubendeza weekend nonji kandi nyenda kubisha cyangwa izo biri ya Sunday twine kitaramo ahari Gongo Culture Center. Ikitaramo icyo murundo gunjija gamba kwa edini irikubasa kugera kuyayegeita social economic development ningo kuturukubasa kutunga injiri irikureta entunguka umbanya Uganda kandi umjenyi mukuru ahizoberyo naza kuba Honorable Amanya Mushega ungatwineyo abandi bagambi ka Bishop w'ubureberezo bwa Western Kole Right Reverend Johnson Twinomjini amwe na Vice Chancellor w'itendekero ya St Joseph's University of Mbarara, Reverend Father Deus Dedit nawe naza kubariyo amwe n'abandi bagambi so toshemere kuferwa izoberyo ushikeyo ahari Gongo Culture Center. Of course ibintu kebindi birunje munonga kugira ngo nobasa kutunga ubwenge ku rugomba ntabine experience nkeje nko kwahora Honorable Amanyamushega hamwe n'abandi abakuza kuba bariyo. Nyenda kuma isangwe mikorege still neza kuba live aha Sky TV Kaptosha. So toine muringo toine neshonga yo kuza kuhereza wotafuru wingire kitaramo icyo murundo weekend nonje.